Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Thanks for joining me today. Well, it's Wheel Swap Wednesday again, and today we've got a Hot Wheels Plymouth Duster. Now this tampo job or paint job, whatever you want to call it, this thing is damn cool, and I love the American touch that they added to this car with the stars and stripes, but this thing is absolutely excellent. Today we're going to do a wheel swap, and it's just a real quick, easy thing that all you folks that are just starting out, or if you're a seasoned veteran, you can do this too. So let's go ahead and get started with today's wheel swap. Grab yourself your favorite adult beverage, or if you don't drink, have a Coke or a coffee or a water or whatever, and sit back and relax. It's not very long, so let's go ahead and have some fun with today's swap. Here we've got the car. I've already drilled out the posts, so let's get the car taken apart. Just be careful if you plan on keeping these wheels for a future project. If you get in there and pry too much, you're liable to go ahead and bend the axles and stuff, and that's a little bit of a booger to get taken care of and straighten back out if you have to. Here's the body. We're not going to touch anything on this because this car looks absolutely cool. Here's the base. We'll go ahead and get those wheels off so we can do the wheel swap. Everything else looks good. The chrome looks good. Fantastic there. Brand new windshield, brand new interior. Here we'll take and pop these wheels out. Get a screwdriver and the little tabs that hold the wheels in, we're going to bend those out a little bit so we can accommodate the new wheels going in. I get my wheels from Sam Ed Wheels. Check out his website at samedwheels.com for all the wheels that he has to offer. He's got a fantastic product, folks, and you should really check it out. The back wheels fit fine. The front wheels got a little bit of excess axle, so we're going to go ahead and trim that off and pinch the end so the wheel won't come off. Here we've got the cutters. We got a rough idea how much we need to cut off. Always give yourself a little bit of extra room by leaving a little bit more than you absolutely need. If you have to cut off a little bit more, you can, but once you cut it off, you can't put it back. So it's best to have a little bit extra. Snap that off. Make sure you have your safety glasses on because these little tips fly, and if they bounce off things and come back and hit you in the face, you're going to be saying some curse words for sure. Here I'm taking my fence pliers, and I'm pinching the very end, and that's going to widen the end in order to keep the wheel from coming off. Now if you have to, you can file that rough end so you don't cut yourself on it. Let's go ahead and test fit this, make sure it's okay. And it fits perfectly. Man, those wheels look good. I love using Sam Ed wheels, and not the fact that the folks over in Malaysia and Thailand and like that have the wheels, their wheels are fantastic too, but sometimes it takes weeks or even months to get your wheels because of the postal situation. Now that car looks fantastic. That looks really good. I love the paint job on this thing, and I've said it before. Looking great. Here's all the pieces we got. We got the body. We put we tapped the holes and put in some new screws, and we're using the 2-56 screws. Here's the base with the brand new Sam Ed wheels. Here's the interior, and here's the windshield. Let's put it all together and see what we came up with.
Meanwhile, back in the graveyard.
And here's what we started with. This Hot Wheels Plymouth Duster. And this was from the 4th of July edition about a year, maybe 2 years ago. We took the car apart. We popped out the old wheels. We fitted it with some new Sam Ed wheels. Now, if you happen to use monoblock wheels or wheels from Treads 164 or Mitzi wheels, they all have a great product. So whatever you choose, it's going to be fantastic. But we took the car apart, we put the new wheels on there, and we put it back together, and let's see the result. And here's the result. Look at how fantastic this car turned out with those brand new wheels on it. And like I always say, you folks can do this too. All it takes is for you to get a car or whatever you want to get from Walmart or Target or whatever, and just get right into it. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments. I do my best to get back to you. But I'm very happy with the way this car turned out. And what's really cool is I've got a live broadcast at the end of April on the 30th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you want a chance to win this car, go ahead and check in to the live broadcast and sit down and relax, have some cold beverages, have some fun. It's always a good time, and I do give away a lot of stuff, so check that out. But what a beautiful car this absolutely is. And we're going to put it on a custom card also. Now here's a glamour shot of the car. That turned out fantastic, and those wheels look absolutely great. I'm going to hate getting rid of this car, but hey, if I have to, I'll make another. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. I've got a lot more videos coming out, so make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button and click on that little bell so you'll be alerted to any future videos that come out. My name is Paul with Diecast Graveyard. Thank you and cheers.